are you doing, man?
Oh, I'm just putting together some orders of some nice Unicote acoustic guitar sets. So,
Oh, these are all guitar blanks?
yeah, these are all the sets, and here's a Zeracote one. Here's a thick one. We're going to get about 3 sets out of that piece of wood. And it comes down to a finished product, so to speak, for the luthiers.
Wow.
Nice.
You don't have a Zeracote guitar, do you?
Yeah, got one in the office. I had a short.
You got one here now? Can I see it?
Yeah, let's come on in. I cut this tree down myself in Marysville on my son's grandpa's property about 20 years after he died. And I've always thought that walnut was a little muddy on an instrument. So I went kind of outside the box and put a maple neck on it to make it a little brighter.
It's beautiful.
And this thing is probably one of the best sounding guitars you'll ever hear.
Hello,
Hey Dave, what's up, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you again.
All right, likewise.
I'm just showing Blair some of my new instruments.
Yeah, I did not know that you're into guitars. That is awesome.
Really? Oh yeah, this is
Yeah,
chill.
bear claw
I
spruce.
gotta show you something you probably never saw, bro.
Yeah?
This right here, white ebony.
Whoa! I've seen white ebony, but I've never seen a guitar made out of it. That is spectacular.
Yeah, that's a
Holy
little couch
cow.
one. It's a small box and a regular sized neck on that.
Wow. Wow. Where did this come from?
The wood?
No, I mean, the maker.
Carter Poulsen, Willie Carter made that for me.
Uh-huh. Where's he located?
He's in Santa Cruz.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is
Play
outstanding.
that. You can play that thing. It's
If I knew how to
amazing
play.
for a little box, man.
I'm a drummer.
Oh,
I can play the back of it.
but these things are...
Unbelievable. That is exquisite. It looks like...
Yeah,
So
this thing came, you can see this, it came from, I saved this. This is the outside of the tree, the bark.
Yeah,
And I saw that in the jungle and I went, wow, that's insane. And then
Yeah.
you got the fiddleback running through that way
Uh-huh.
and the pommel kind of going like that.
Is that
What jungle?
This
Russ?
is, it was in the jungles of Mexico down near Belize.
Yeah.
You can see the same pattern.
Yeah, that is crazy great. Look at that. That's how you read it, is look at the texture on the outside near the bark, and I'll tell you what's on the inside.
Did you see the inlay on that guitar?
No.
Guess who?
Larry?
Larry did that.
You're kidding. All right, so you know Larry.
Yeah.
Or did Larry...
He did. I don't know. He did a couple of inlays in some of my instruments.
he is
but
phenomenal.
He's the best.
He
man.
is the best.
Yeah.
He is I see him every Thursday night.
Do you?
We have a band.
You're the drummer. You're
The
the skin
Bench Dogs,
leader.
that's right. Too cool. Wow. Yeah, Larry's work is so exceptional. Man, he's teaching another class at my school in December.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
For inlays.
For inlays. Shell inlay.
Well, you gotta maybe he'll do a little inlay on your drum kit.
Yeah. I'll see if I can talk him into it when he's not too busy. That is amazing.
Look at
Whoa.
the neck on that thing.
Yeah, I was just checking out the curl in that.
Yeah.
That is so exotic. Look at that. Damn. And was this made by Santa Cruz Guitars?
Yep.
Santa Cruz Guitars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of my best customers and
Wow.
long-time friends, you know.
Sure.
I've been selling them for 25 years, I think.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, I love that stuff. Now this is Pomele Sapele?
No, that's
Or-
Honduras mahogany.
Okay, so this is quilted or Honduras mahogany.
Yeah.
Whoa. The color on that is so deep.
It looks like Sapele.
Yeah.
It has that
Well-
Sapele Pomele look to it.
You don't see
You don't
pomele
see-
and mahogany ever.
No,
like that.
exactly.
No.
That was this one tree, and actually we had most of this tree made into veneer, and I sold it to a sheik in Saudi Arabia, and he had the fuselage of his jet made out of it. And it was so unique that he said if there's any veneer left, burn it. He doesn't want anybody else to have it.
Are you kidding me?
Swear to God.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, yeah, because they want to be the sole owner. Wow, that wood has got so much depth and color to it. I love
Yeah,
that
I
stuff.
love that stuff. I have another one made out of it, but I didn't bring it today.
Show them those other guitars, Russ.
Spectacular.
This one here is from Mexico as well, Ziricote. You know Ziricote.
I do. Another gorgeous wood. Now this, I would think, would probably have some well, the figure.
I was surprised that it could bend so well, because it's so...
that is, it's really hard.
That's a testament to the craftsman, not to the wood.
Yeah, somebody really got it down, because that is a really steep bend. That's a very tight radius.
Too.
Great work.
Yeah.
Great work. Yeah, I'll bet that has some great, resonance to it.
Yeah, they're all
Because
good
it's so
guitars.
dense. So you played, huh?
Not too much, I mean, a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah. The real guitar player is my son. He's very good. But we have fun picking around together at night. And, this is actually his guitar. This thing sounds for walnut, it's bright
Yeah.
for a walnut body, or because
Because they don't have the same
I
density.
think that really the big difference, and you'll never see one like that.
Yeah.
It's way outside the box, a maple neck kind of walnut box.
Yeah. Yeah, it is unusual.
But it sounds. Whoa! Yeah.
Exquisite.
Big body. I like the big body F bodies.
Uh huh.